Let's compare the online virtual Thunder drum with the real thing. Firstly, we're going to take a look at the virtual Thunder drum. So it looks kind of realistic as a Thunder drum. It's obviously a graphic. We've got the bamboo here, and this is the Thunder spring part. And if we click on it, we get this kind of left to right animation, which isn't typically how the instrument would be moving when it's making the sound, but it kind of works anyway. Realistically, we should have the movement of the spring more than anything. The sounds are quite nice. They're roaring, thunder sounds, exactly as what you would expect from this instrument. They all vary. Now, if we compare the virtual instrument to the real thing, I mean, it's actually quite funny, but even if I just don't really do anything and I just kind of hold it still, you even get that kind of subtle sound, even when you're not replaying it, just slight movement. So if I shake this, you get that kind of slight thunder sound. It's actually better to play it this way around. We have a lot more control over the sound. We can do soft thunder strikes, we can do loud thunder strikes. Unlike the virtual instrument where the sound is just coming out the speaker, this one, the sound actually comes from the bamboo tube itself, which is hollow. So that's where you can hear the sound. And actually, when you're shaking the Thunder drum, the real Thunder drum, depending on where you position this, that's kind of your speaker. So the equivalent of making, you know, the virtual instrument like that would be, I mean, if you played it on your phone maybe and you kind of pressed it and moved it around, you might get a slightly similar sound, but you get a lot more control with the real thing. If you want to try the virtual instrument, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. Or if you want to know which Thunder drum is right for you, you should check out this video on screen now.